Plants on moss poles are a great way to display your vines. They add a lot of greenery to your indoors and also uses less space. Today's episode is about 5 great looking vining plants and how you can easily grow them indoors. Hi, my name is Ravi and I am a plant enthusiast from India. I have here with me Philodendron micans, Philodendron caudatum, also known as the heartleaf philodendron, Adansonii, Philodendron ceylon and the Philodendron hascetum. Let's explore the unique features, care requirements and why they are loved by indoor gardeners. First up, we have the stunning Philodendron micans. This vine is known for its beautiful velvety leaves that come in shades of deep green, bronze and copper. It's a versatile plant that can be grown in hanging baskets or allowed to climb up a moss pole. As you can see, the leaves of the Philodendron micans are heart-shaped and have a velvety texture. The foliage color can vary with new leaves emerging in vibrant copper tones and maturing to a deep green. Caring for the micans is really easy. It thrives in bright indirect light but can also grow in medium light conditions. Avoid direct sunlight as it will scorch the leaves. Watering needs are specific to this plant. Allow the top inch of the soil to dry out before watering. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so it's essential to maintain a balance. This plant enjoys higher humidity levels, so misting the leaves or placing it near a humidifier can be beneficial. Given the right conditions, it can be a very fast grower, so you might want to propagate to have more plants. It can be simply done by cutting the long vines just below where the vines start to show aerial roots. We can then plant it in coco peat or just any water retaining soil, well aerated soil mix. You will soon have new vines growing from these. Next, let's move on to the classic heartleaf philodendron, also known as Philodendron hedraceum. This timeless plant has been a favorite among indoor gardeners for many years. As the name suggests, heartleaf philodendron features heart-shaped leaves that are typically dark green and glossy with a patchy variegation that gives it a stunning look. The trailing vines create an elegant display, making it perfect for hanging baskets or climbing upwards on a moss stick. This plant can adapt to various lighting conditions from low light to bright indirect light, but avoid placing it in direct sunlight as it can scorch the leaves. I water it when the top inch of the soil feels dry to touch, although it appreciates slightly more frequent watering than some other philodendron vines. Temperatures between 16 to 25 degrees is ideal for this plant. Apart from having a stunning appeal, this plant is also known for its air purifying qualities. It helps remove harmful pollutants from the air, making it a great choice for improving indoor air quality. It's a great plant for hanging as well as climbing upwards on a moss stick. Moving on to our next plant, this is the Philodendron Adansonii, commonly called the Swiss cheese vine. Its unique leaf shape and patterns make it a fascinating addition to any indoor plant collection. The leaves are elongated, deeply lobed, resembling Swiss cheese. These holes and notches in the foliage are what makes it so visually striking. The Adansonii prefers bright indirect light, so for a more fuller growth, place it where you can get abundant indirect light. Similar to the other philodendron vines, even this one should be watered only when the top inch feels dry to touch. It's prone to quick root rot if placed in a waterlogging soil, so make sure the pot has good drainage. Let me give you an easy hack to make a pot with good drainage. So for this, we will need any pot, preferably at least 8 inches wide for vines. Now we will make a few holes in the bottom using a heated shouldering rod. Trust me, this is one of the most inexpensive yet the most useful tool for a gardener. I have put the links to all the supplies I generally use in my day-to-day gardening, so you can buy them easily online. I fill it up now with a layer of broken pot pieces, about 2 inches. This ensures that the holes don't get clogged easily. Next, we will place a few coir husk pieces over, which acts as a filter fabric. You can also use a steel or plastic mesh for this. Now fill it up with your desired potting mix and your pot is ready. Up next, we have the Philodendron Ceylon. This plant is one of my favorites. Its stunning foliage is sure to catch your attention. The bright fluorescent color can uplift even the dullest corners in our homes. Given the right conditions, it can grow quite fast. So make sure you are giving it a longer moss stick to grow. As a rule of thumb, all fast growing vines are generally light lovers, and this one is no different. The Ceylon loves bright indirect light, but make sure not to expose it to harsh direct sunlight. This plant prefers slightly moist soil but can also tolerate short periods of dryness. I have been growing them for a very long time, and these have been one of my best sellers. They are so easy to propagate with just the stem cuttings. These cuttings were done just a month back, and as you can see, it's already started to give new leaves. Last but not the least, I have the Philodendron hastatum, also known as the silver sword. Its metallic silver leaves make it a standout choice for any indoor jungle. Philodendron hastatum boasts of large, elongated leaves with silvery blue shine. The foliage has glossy texture, adding to its appeal. Provide Philodendron hastatum with bright indirect light. It can tolerate lower light conditions, but brighter light will help maintain its silver coloration. Similar to the other vines we just saw, water when the top inch of the soil feels slightly dry to touch. The hastatum is a climber, so I don't like to grow it as a hanging. Growing on a moss pole or trellis will allow it to grow upright and also gives a magnificent foliage. I have made a detailed video on growing the Philodendron hastatum, which you can check on the link here. And there you have it. My top 5 Philodendron vines: the Philodendron micans, Heartleaf Philodendron, Philodendron adansonii, the Ceylon, and the Philodendron hastatum. Each of these plants bring its unique charm and beauty to any indoor space. Whether you prefer velvety leaves, heart-shaped foliage, intricate patterns, or stunning silvery blue hues, there's a Philodendron vine for everyone. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss an episode for more plant related content. I'll see you next time with an amazing new episode. Good luck, happy gardening.